and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we have something good for you in the kitchen, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. And in the meantime, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button and we'll be back. Today we're making some easy, cheesy garlic balls. Our ingredients are salt, butter, mozzarella cheese, minced garlic, and some jalapeno cheddar New York style bagels. So to a bowl, we're gonna add our butter, our garlic, and some salt. And we're gonna put this in the microwave and just let it melt. While our butter is melting, we're going to cut our bagels into little bite-sized little nuggets, like balls or whatever you want to call them. Let's see. That's a good size. Let's see how many pieces did we get out of there. 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces out of there. That's a good size. Then I'm gonna place them in a bowl. I'm gonna cut up about 4 bagels total. That's 3. Let's do 1 more. While our butter is melting, I have a 9x9 pan that I'm gonna just spray with some Pam. Okay, my butter is melted good enough, and I just want to whisk all of that together, get it nice and combined. Okay, now that that's nice and combined, I want to take my mozzarella cheese and add it. Add it to the bread, and then we're going to pour our butter all over the bread. Let's get all of that out of there. And just mix it all up real good. I want all of that butter to be soaked into this bread. Keep stirring. I want, like I said, I want all of that butter soaked in there. I used a whole stick of butter. Nice and garlicky. I want all of that garlic to be all mixed up as well. And the cheese. Next, we're going to take our mixture and pour it into our pan. Buttery goodness out of there. Just spread it all around. And then we're just gonna bake it on 350 degrees. I forgot, I've got some garlic salt. I know we put garlic and I know we put salt, but I want to put this in there. Just for a little bit more flavor.